two types: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming, this is one in which farmers focus on growing enough food to feed themselves and their families. Commercial agriculture, crops and livestock are produced mainly for sale and trade. Shifting agriculture, also known as slash and burn agriculture, in which a plot shifting agriculture, also known as slash and burn agriculture, in which a plot is land is cleared and cultivated for a period of time, then left unnatural restore fertility.
Hydroponic, soilless agriculture is called hydroponics. In this method, growing plant using minerals, nutrient solution in water without soil. Aeroponics is a method of growing plant in the air without the use of soil or a growing medium. Indeed, the roots of plants are suspended in the air with a nutrient-rich solution.
Plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture, this is the types of commercial crop in which a single fruit like tea, coffee, rubber is grown on a large scale. Tea, coffee is grown on a large scale. Mixed farming can include production of both crop and livestock in same farm. Organic farming, in this system, avoid the use of chemical fertilizer, pesticides and herbicide, and instead the uses of natural method.
Greenhouse. A greenhouse is a building with glass or transparent plastic and it controls temperature and humidity. In the day, sunlight shines into the greenhouse and warms the plants and air inside. Example, tomato and tropical flower. Terrace farming. Terracing is a method of soil and conservation hills and sloped lands. Agriculture in India, rabi crops sown in winter, harvest in spring like wheat, barley, gram, bean, mustard, etc. Kharif crop, these crops are sown in season, monsoons and harvest in autumn like rice, maize, millets, cotton, etc. Zaid crop, crops sown in season between rabi and kharif.